selling insurance is a tough job. While almost everyone needs insurance, no one actually buys on his own. This is the paradox. Salespeople have high pressure to meet their business targets. They stay focused on the highlights of the product and forget that the customer is more interested to know where the catch is.
Added to the problem, many times customers want to buy life insurance for the wrong reasons. Tax breaks, short-term gains, commission passbacks are the hooks some salespeople use to catch their customers. Life insurance needs to be bought only for financial protection against lifetime risks of living too long and dying too young. Chosen carefully and invested for long term, life insurance does offer sensible protection against financial risks. Then why do people find it difficult to sell?
The answer lies in the selling process. If you sell a high cost product with a low return potential and expect your customer to be happy, you are wrong. One wrong sale by a greedy salesperson will lead to another, and everyone will start thinking that insurance is a rip-off. If customers start painting the whole industry with the same brush, it will lead to a major credibility gap.
This business is based on faith. Customers must clearly know what they are buying, why they are buying, how much they are paying, and the conditions in which they can get their benefits.
A well-trained, service-oriented, ethical person can tell this clearly and still make a sale. We believe our partner banks have that ability and intention to deliver such honest advice. We also believe our carefully selected and reasonably trained insurance advisors can also do the job effectively.
But we are putting in place checks and balances. A salesperson, be a banker, an independent advisor, may sometimes commit mistakes, knowingly or unknowingly. He may not have time or the opportunity to present the full picture. He may forget to inform the customer that it's a long-term product and premiums need to be paid regularly to get the full benefits.
So, we made it mandatory that every product must be presented only through pre-approved video clips. The video will show full information. We call up the customer and check whether he has seen the video and understood the details. We verify whether he has full details or needs further information. We uploaded our video files on the internet and call center IVR so that the customer can check the full product details at his convenience.
When we made this process, some of our salespeople grumbled. They faced difficulties in convincing the customers that they must now see a video before buying our products. Some thought it's silly, others felt it's not necessary.
But many liked it. Our product videos are not necessarily the best made movies with nice faces. We're improving and regularly reviewing the content and delivery.
It's not a small success that we got the highest startup productivity and activation from our bank branches. In just 100 days, we collected rupees 100 crores of premium and crossed rupees 200 crores in less than 150 days. I guess this is an industry record for a startup insurance company. Hopefully, we will work on more records, taking the proven route of customer first.
If you are a distributor or an insurance advisor, why should you work for India First? You have a choice to work for 23 life companies. Many of them may offer higher commissions than we do. Money is important for distributors and advisors. How can we do business if we offer less money to you? The truth here is, actually you may earn more money through us. It's simple. Our products, our training, sales processes, and unwavering focus on customer care will ensure you have a major competitive advantage. That is, the customer on your side.
Instead of doing a hard job of convincing a reluctant customer, you actually go and explain a true picture with help of our sales tools. Chances are that he will buy from you than from others. If he doesn't, it's likely he has no need for insurance, at least for now.
We have an excellent legacy of over 360 years of combined financial services experience through our trustworthy partners, Bank of Baroda, Andhra Bank, and Legal & General. This helps you stay confident when your customers question your business.
Your revenue will increase when you have better strike rate and higher customer loyalty, as they pay renewal premiums regularly. What's more, we have the Club First program that's perhaps the best program in the market. Club First gives you reward points, surprise gifts, foreign trips, and a variety of products and services that you can enjoy.
Our classroom helps you learn while you earn. We have over 20 courses to choose and learn from at your own convenience. All this you can do while you keep your customers happy, servicing them well through our online policy tracking and lead management systems.